Welcome back to my YouTube channel Coins History Coins VC. Today I have two very special coins from the United States of America. In this video, we will explore their full history, mint mark details, design, metal composition, rarity, and current value. These coins may look simple, but they carry deep historical importance and collector value. Top 1. The United States of America, 1 cent 1942, commonly known as the wheat penny, is an important coin in American numismatic history. This coin belongs to the famous Lincoln Wheat Cent series that was first introduced in 1909 to honor the 100th birth anniversary of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. The 1942 penny still carries the classic wheat design that had been in use since 1909. On the obverse front of the coin, you will see the portrait of Abraham Lincoln facing right. Above his head is the word Liberty, and the date 1942 appears to the right. On coins with no mint mark, this means the coin was produced at the Philadelphia Mint, because during that time Philadelphia coins did not carry a mint mark. Below Lincoln's shoulder, you will find the initials VB, which stand for Victor David Brenner, the original designer of the Lincoln cent. The reverse back of the 1942 wheat penny shows two wheat stalks on the left and right sides, symbolizing prosperity and strength in agriculture. In the center, the words 1 cent appear boldly, and above that is United States of America. At the very top is the national motto, E pluribus unum, meaning out of many one. The wheat ears give this coin its popular nickname, the wheat penny or wheat cent. The design remained unchanged until 1958, after which it was replaced by the Lincoln Memorial design in 1959. The 1942 penny was minted during the time of World War II. Because of the war, copper became an important metal for military equipment and ammunition. The 1942 penny was still made primarily of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, weighing about 3.11 grams. However, due to wartime metal shortages, in 1943 the U.S. Mint switched to steel cents coated with zinc. This makes the 1942 copper penny one of the last normal copper issues before the famous 1943 steel cent. Interestingly, a very rare error exists where a few 1942 pennies were struck on 1943 steel planchets, and these are extremely valuable to collectors today. In terms of mintage, the Philadelphia Mint produced over 657 million 1942 pennies without a mint mark, making it a common coin in circulated condition. Because of this high production number, most 1942 no-mint mark pennies are not very rare. In circulated condition, they usually have modest value, often ranging from a few cents to a couple of dollars, depending on condition. However, uncirculated coins with bright original red luster can be more valuable, especially if graded by professional grading services. Coins with errors such as double-die varieties, off-center strikes, or unusual metal composition can also increase in value significantly. Collectors often check the coin's condition carefully. Important grading factors include how clear Lincoln's hair details are, whether the wheat lines on the reverse are sharp, and whether there are scratches or discoloration. A well-preserved 1942 wheat penny with strong details and minimal wear can be quite attractive to collectors who specialize in Lincoln cents. Historically, the 1942 penny represents a significant transitional moment in American coinage because it was minted just before the dramatic steel cent experiment of 1943. It connects directly to America's involvement in World War II and reflects how global events influenced everyday objects like coins. Today, the 1942 no-mint mark wheat penny remains a popular and affordable collectible, especially for beginners building a Lincoln cent collection from 1909 to 1958. If you are making a YouTube video for your old $quarter USA channel, you can explain that the 1942 no-mint mark penny is a Philadelphia issue, made of copper before the wartime steel change, designed by Victor D. Brenner, and features Abraham Lincoln with the classic wheat ears reverse. It may not be rare in normal condition, but its historical importance during World War II makes it a meaningful and collectible American coin. Next, top 2. The United States of America, 1 cent 1951 D. Commonly known as the 1951 D wheat penny, is part of the long-running Lincoln cent series that began in 1909. This coin honors Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, whose portrait appears on the front, obverse, of the coin. The Lincoln cent was the first regular U.S. coin to feature a real historical person, instead of a symbolic figure. The designer of the coin was Victor David Brenner, and his initials VB can be found at the bottom of Lincoln's shoulder on the obverse. On the 1951 D penny, you will see the word Liberty on the left side of Lincoln's portrait, the date 1951 on the right, and just below the date a small D mint mark, which shows that this coin was struck at the Denver Mint. The reverse back of the 1951 D wheat penny features the classic wheat ears design, which is why it is called a wheat penny or wheat cent. Two wheat stalks curve along the left and right sides of the coin, symbolizing prosperity and America's agricultural strength. In the center are the bold words 1 cent, and above that United States of America. At the top appears the Latin motto, E pluribus unum, meaning out of many one. This wheat design was used from 1909 until 1958, after which it was replaced in 1959 with the Lincoln Memorial reverse to celebrate Lincoln's 150th birth anniversary. The 1951 D penny was minted in the post-World War II period, during a time when the United States was entering the early years of the Cold War and economic growth. Unlike the 1943 steel cents produced during World War II, the 1951 D penny returned to the traditional bronze composition. It is made of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, with a weight of approximately 3.11 grams and a diameter of 19 millimeters. The coin has a plain edge and a smooth reddish-brown appearance when well preserved. Over time, many circulated coins turn brown due to oxidation, while uncirculated coins may still show a bright red luster. In terms of mintage, the Denver Mint produced over 625 million 1951 D pennies. Because of this high production number, the coin is generally considered common in circulated grades. In worn condition, it usually holds modest value, often just a small premium above face value. However, in uncirculated condition with strong red color, often graded as red, or are D by professional grading services, the value can be significantly higher. Collectors especially look for coins with full wheat lines on the reverse and strong detail in Lincoln's hair and coat. There are also minor varieties and error coins within the 1951 D issue. Some collectors search for repunched mint marks, RPM, where the D mint mark was punched more than once at slightly different angles. These varieties can carry additional value depending on clarity and condition. Error coins such as off-center strikes, clipped planchets, or double strikes are also collectible and may be worth much more than normal examples. The 1951 D wheat penny represents the final years of the classic wheat design before its replacement in 1959. It is part of a popular and affordable series that many collectors try to complete from 1909 to 1958. Because it is easy to find and historically connected to America, it is a great coin for beginner collectors and